This is the reason why you are not getting commission from some of the agents that you refer on PoppoLive. In this video today, I'm going to explain to you reason why you are not getting commission from some agents that you refer on PoppoLive. So Jennifer here is asking, is there a stage where I will stop earning from an agent under me on PoppoLive streaming app? And the answer is yes. And I want to expatiate a bit so that others will understand. First of all, I'm very grateful. That means there are a lot of people that I invited, that have invited more people that are earning so much that they have gotten to level S. So on the PoppoLive streaming app, as an agent, is level by level, just as I've explained in this video. So the moment your wealth level is different from your leveling up, and as an agent, there is also level by level, meaning the moment you join the PoppoLive streaming app and you become an agent, you are a level D agent. So we have level D agent, we have level C agent, we have level B agent, we have level A agent, and we have level S agent. So I don't want to bore you much. This video that I will link here will explain to you in details how you can move from one level to the other as an agent, because how much you earn as an agent determine your level as an agent, not your wealth level and not your leveling up. Okay, so if you invite an agent or any agent use your referral link to become agent, you earn commission from that, but there is limit to how many commission you can get from an agent. Number one, any agent you invite and the agent become a higher level than you will stop earning from that agent. That's number one. So that means if I am a level C agent and I invite you to become agents and you become level A agent or level B agent, I will stop earning from you. But if I am a level S agent, if you become level S at the same time, I will stop earning from you. So one, if the agent that you invite, if the agent is earning, have become higher rank agent than you will stop earning. And secondly, the highest you can earn as an agent from an agent you refer is 20%. So if you become an agent on PoppoLive streaming app, you are a level D agent automatically, which you will be earning 4%. If you become from level B, you become level D, you become level C. As level C, you will also be getting the percentage, I think 8%. Then if you become level B, it should be 12%. Then level A, 16%. Then level S, 20%. So that is why the income differs. Someone that is in level C, if someone if the activity under your agency, people that are under your agency, whatever you get, you only, as a level C agent, you will only get 8%, while I, as a level S agent, I will get 20%. So this percentage might be a little bit confusing. That is why I recommend this video you watch, so that you understand how you can move from one level to another as an agent, so that you'll be earning much money. So your answer is yes, depending on your level as an agent and depending on the level of the agent you refer or use your referral link. But at the highest you can earn is S, level S, which is 20%. So even me, I have a lot of agents that I've referred that they are now level S, and meaning I'm no more earning anything from them. I hope I'm able to answer your question and you understand clearly. So Jennifer asked this question, that's why I'm answering her. I have a complete playlist now on all the videos I've done about agents. So if you are watching me and you want to become an agent, I'll drop a playlist of videos, and I'll also drop a link so that you can sign up to become agents. I've also done videos on how you can become Poppo coin seller. You can how to you understand the agency commission. I've also answered frequently asked questions, a lot of them, so you can watch. And if by any chance I've not answered your question, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you ask your question, if it is something that I've answered before, I'll reply you with a video that will give you that answer. And if I've not answered before, like Jennifer's question, I'm going to reply to you with a video like this. And if it's not if something I can type, I'll also type. So thank you so much. Please, if you have not liked this video, do so. If you have not dropped beautiful comment, drop a very beautiful one for me, because I'm looking beautiful. I'm still in my birthday month, and I hope to see you in my next video. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Bye. I want to go and make my nails. See how dirty my nails look.